Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll explain and demonstrate how I created a machine learning web application which predicts the house price in California using a MindsDB and a Node.js. So let me open up my demo website. So this is a website which was hosted on Linode Cloud. This is the dashboard and this is my IP address, and this is the some statistics on network storage. So I have installed Ubuntu 22. So I recommend you to have at least 4 core of Intel or AMD CPU along with the 6 GB of RAM and 30 GB of storage to install a MindsDB Docker image. And to train and predict the machine learning model, you should have to have these configurations. So let me open up my website. So this is a landing page which was built using HTML and Bootstrap. I have used EJS template engine in order to render the dynamic data from server to the client. So let me enter the input value. So this is the latitude and longitude, home, median age, home, rooms and total rooms, population, household, median income per year, and this is a locality where you want to predict house prices. I will select nearby and I will hit calculate button. So once I hit a calculate button, it will take me to the result page where you can see the predicted house price is 250k, and in this locality it's the price where you want to buy or sell the house. So it helps the buyers or sellers of the home whether if you want to buy a home in California or not. And this is the median ranges of house in the different locality. This has been fetched from the databases. You can also view the dashboard. By clicking the dashboard, you can also view the average number of rooms in California. Oh, it takes some time, and the median house price in California over a time. This data has been fetched from the tables and displayed using bar chart and scatter plot. So this helps you to decide whether to buy or not the home in California. So that's it. Let me go and install this project on our local machine. So firstly I want to go to my GitHub URL. So I have pasted the my project URL in the description below. You can check that. So this is the readme file where you can read, and I have included some screenshot and text tag, system requirement, project flow, all of that. So first we want to clone the project from GitHub. You should, if you have Git installed, you can clone, otherwise you can download the zip. In this case I have downloaded the zip and I'll extract it. So here is the steps which we can follow to run this project. So this is a project. So let me open this project in Visual Studio. So let me select the folder desktop, house scope, CA main. I'll select open. So this will open the project. As you can see, the package.json file, I have used EJS Express and MindsDB JS SDK, which helps us to access the MindsDB server in the code only. So to install the dependencies, you need to install npm install and hit enter. So it will download the dependencies which are required in the project. As you can see, the dependencies has been installed. After that you have to install the MindsDB Docker image. So I recommend you to install a Docker engine. If you not install the Docker engine, you can go and search on YouTube where you can find install the Docker engine. So after that you need to install the MindsDB Docker image by running this command on your terminal. So in this case I have already installed. So after that you need to go to the Kaggle in order to download the data set. So this is the data set which I was used in my project. So you should able to log in and download this data set. I have downloaded this data set. The next step here is to run this command to start the MindsDB Docker. Just open up a terminal and enter sudo and just paste. It will ask the password. I will enter. So it will take some time to start the MindsDB Docker imager, and make sure you have an internet connection. See, once you got this message HTTP API started at 43334, this is the port which the MindsDB Docker or MindsDB server is running. You can check localhost 47334. So once you have seen this message, it says that it is successfully installed. So this is a basic SQLite editor. You need to upload a data set. I will upload a data set from desktop housing.csv, and I'll recommend you to give a home/table as the data source name. So when I click hit save and continue, it will import the housing.csv data into the files database. So you can see the data. Select star from files.home table. So these are the rows which are present in the database. So it's a pretty big database. It contains more than 20,000 rows in it. So the next step here is to train the machine learning models. So I just have to copy this and I just have to enter. So what this SQL query will do is it will create a model on MindsDB, and it will predict the median house value. So based on the all the data which was present in my table. So once you have created this, just hit run. So you can see the some status symbol saying that the status it was generating. So it's a pretty big huge data set which contains more than 20,000 rows. It takes approximately 55 to 60 minutes to train in my laptop. So my configuration is i5 10th generation with 8 GB RAM along with the Ubuntu 22 running operating system. So please wait for 50 to 60 minutes to create a model. Once the model has been successfully trained, you can see the status message as completed along with the accuracy score and other parameters. And here you can see the median house value. This is the value which we want to predict, or its output value. So you can check the model status by running this. So when a model is currently training, it will show the status as training. When it's completed, it will show as complete. If it If any error has been occurred means it shows the error as the status. So once the model has been trained, we want to predict the median house value. So I just copied the summary. So here what we will asking the model is, we want to predict the median house value, and here is the input parameters, location, housing, median age, and in this location in the nearby we want to know the median house value. So by running this command, it will query and it will tell the median house value in the nearby area in the California. So it's a median house value. So once the model has been trained and predicted, so you just have to start your Node.js server. So you can open up the project, you can open up the terminal on VS Code and enter node app.js. It is a default file. So it is telling that the server was started on port 3000 and successfully connected to MindsDB. So we just want to go to localhost :3000. So as you can see, this is the landing page. I will add. Now hit calculate button, it will show the result on the page, and you can see the dashboard where the median data has been fetched from the database tables. So that's it for this video, guys. Please make sure to share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for this kind of videos. Thank you.